Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan. Hopefully some half-decent lighting in this video. Actually, I can change that. There we go. That's probably a little bit better. But today, what we're going to be getting into is the VERDY SV Dunk Low. Want to give a quick little updated resale prediction. You guys can check out the how-to cop from a couple days ago, excuse me. And also, do not forget that that they're doing the raffle on the VERDY SV, not the VERDY SV, but on the Girls Don't Cry website. I'll link it down below so you guys can get entered for that raffle. By the time this video is out, it's probably closed, but there's going to be some other raffle locations getting posted for the sneaker, mainly in the how-to cop video. I mentioned that, but we'll get into it, kind of discuss current resale prices, and if I think it's a decent time to buy right now. And I'll kind of discuss what I'm thinking. I don't think they're going to make a lot of these, so I think if you want to go out the way, get a pair right now, not a bad idea. But the only reason I would do that is if A, you're really looking for a pair and you just need to secure one, and you don't really care about paying, you know, a slight resale price. And B, the only other reason is if, again, you're just kind of able to, like, you know, afford it, you're able to wait a little bit in case the market drops a little bit further, then yeah, that's what I would say. But these will age well. I mean, the early prices were insane, like thousands of dollars, and their sales on StockX for that. So yeah, we'll get into that. If you guys want more content like this, do not forget, subscribe and like down below. It's trying to 300 likes on this video. Basic goal just lets me know that these are the types of videos y'all want more of, and I'll get to that. And check me out, my IGs down below is buying, selling, trading. I'll be getting back to DMs this afternoon and tonight since I got a little bit more time. But yeah, just if you guys got any questions about any kicks you need to know any of the recent releases, let me know. I got tons of stuff for sale on my store. Just hit me up. I got you. Like light carbon SVs, a couple bike airs, things like that. And the Verdys, I have like a 11. So yeah, just let me know. I got some sizes and some things. And don't forget, you can also check us out down below, Resale Vision. We're actually giving away a pair of the VERDY SV Dunk Lows coming very soon, so make sure y'all get in there. Do not miss out on that. And I also want to say that there's one more thing I was going to mention. You can just see the deals we do every single day. I think that was the main thing I wanted to point out. Just every single day we're doing stuff under market price for our members. So yeah, you'll have no trouble sourcing the things that you want for less. That's everything I really needed to mention there. Hopefully the intro was not too long, and we will get started right now here. So I'm just waiting for this to go live. And there we go. Screen recording's good. So as you guys can see, here are the current resale prices, excuse me. Really big sizes and really small sizes going for the most. No surprise, they just don't make as many of those sizes. But there isn't going to be as many sales happening in those really small sizes. But in the big sizes like 12, 13, 14, those ones, there'll be sales happening. It's just they've been at much higher prices. Like, I feel bad for the guy right here. Look at this guy, not even that long ago. Where is it? Where is it? Look at this. So on September 11th, someone paid $1,500 for these. And now look, someone got a bid for $371 on them. Again, if you want to throw a bid out there for like $370, $380 on, you know, some of these big sizes, I think that's not a bad idea. Again, I told y'all they may dip slightly below 400, but I don't think they're going to go much lower than that in the bigger sizes. I said some of the small ones like 9, 8, we may see quickly dip below like 300 in that 280 range, but I don't think that's going to happen. Like at the end of the day, you look at most of the sizes and there is not a lot available. Size 9, again, you can see there's no like limited amount of asks, but if you go to 12, where is it here? Let me see if I can find it here. 13, my bad. And some of the really small ones, again, those are the ones that are limited. So if you want to look at some of the really small sizes, some of the really big sizes as ones to target, I think it's not a bad idea. Obviously, there'll be less of them, so they're going to be harder to hit. But as a whole, over time, they'll be the ones that will make quicker progress. But again, let's check out size 11, which again, you can see this one, not a ton left. So it just shows you some of these sizes are really popular. Some people are already going out the way and, I mean, paying the high. Like, I mean, 380 isn't necessarily the high, but yeah, some people are really comfortable with going out the way and paying these prices right now. And I do feel like if you want to go out the way, get some pairs right now at this 360, 370, 380 range, that is a good idea, because I do have a feeling that after the L's in the raffle today, after the L's on sneakers, like, these are going to be shooting up in price. I wouldn't even be surprised if today they go up, you know, 30, 40, 50 bucks, because people think, oh, this is the only drop. You know, I got to go get them now. So would not surprise me. That is one thing I'm going to say. But we may see a decent amount of dubs today. I would like to see that, but it's an SB Dunk Low in 2024. Probably will not see a lot of dubs on a hyped collaboration. Just one main point I want to mention. But there's your current resale range. I'm probably going to go out the way, try and bid on like one of the bigger sizes today, see if I can get a pair, because again, I just think the prices are really nice right now. And I mean, if they do dip a little bit further, I can just wait. But yeah, I think like 12, 13, 14, if I can go get some of those at 300, 400 right now. Obviously, after StockX fees and everything, it might be a little bit higher, but I think that might not be a bad idea. It hasn't done me terribly recently doing that. So I feel like with a shoe like this, it'll age well. It did good with grandma's driveways, so I see no reason that, again, with a pair like this that's hyped, going to be limited, why it couldn't happen with these. I think they'll probably go up. You know, that's what I'll say. But if you want to wait like a couple more days, because keep in mind the release is still scheduled for the 20th. A lot of skate shops haven't posted it yet. Then yeah, that's totally fine. But keep in mind a lot of shops are going to be back during this pair as well. That's another thing to mention, and I don't blame them. You know what I mean? Make your money. But aside from that, very cool pair. Hopefully we'll get my hands on a retail pair or two. That'll be very nice. I should. But yeah, I mean, this is just a cool pair, and I don't think they're making a lot of them. That's one of the main things I want to say. So that's why today I'm gonna take the risk. I'll probably go out there, get a pair or two, and I'll just pay market on it and see what happens over the next couple days. I think it'll age well because again, I don't see them making a lot of a very unique pair that looks a little bit hard to make too. Just I have a feeling that again they're probably keeping these a little bit more limited. And yeah, like the F&F pair goes for a bag, so seeing that one go for a bag, these ones eventually just gonna start creeping up. So yeah. That's what I will say. But am I in that screen recording right there? There's not really too much more that I need to say. There's your resale range, really just between a range of about 370 to 480 right now. The bigger size is going for more, no surprise. Those are the ones I would personally target if you want to throw some bids out there today. Not a bad idea. But again, if you want to just wait a little bit, I think that's fine as well. Wait a couple days because I don't feel like if a crazy rise in price in these does happen, I feel like it's going to happen after the sneakers L's, not today. You know what I mean? So if you want to wait a few more days, just kind of see what happens with the market, I think that's totally fine. That's honestly what I'm doing more or less. Like I am going to get one or two today, but I'm going to wait mostly. You know what I mean? I feel like it's a good idea just to kind of wait a little bit, see what happens, because it's either going to, happen really, really quick, like today after the L's, or, again, people are going to wait till sneakers. When people take the L's there, boom, then, yeah, prices are going to go up. Because I doubt they drop like 50,000, 100,000 of them then. And even if they did 50,000 of them, they're still going to go up in price. It's not enough to meet the demand because people are trying to flip the shoe, people are trying to wear the shoe whenever you get that kind of hype behind it. Yeah, price, it's usually hard to get sneakers. So that is what I can say about this one right here, guys. Again, if y'all have any questions down below, just let me know. I'll try and get back to them. Any comments, feel free. Leave it down below. And you guys can subscribe and like too for more content like this. Trying to 300 likes on this video. Just lets me know again. These are the types of videos y'all want more of, as I say, every video. And again, you can check my IGs down below. Check us out down below, Resale Vision, if you like undermarket sneakers every day. The VERDY SB giveaway, we're going to be doing stuff like that. So yeah, I've pretty much gotten all that, out the way right there. Again, check it out down below. A lot of beneficial things for you guys. You can also, again, hit me up on IG if y'all need any kicks. Another thing I'll leave down there. Any other recent releases, just let me know. Y'all got a lot of stuff. So no shortage of goods, hit me up. But yeah, that's again what I'm thinking about the Verdys. I personally see these quickly going to $500, $600. Like that's where I feel like the market will settle for these. It's been between $1,000 to $350 right now. I think we just split it right down the middle and say, you know what? After the sneaker sales, after everything, these may settle at $500, $600 for a little bit. I could see that happening in the bigger sizes, 12, 13, 14, and 11, where they're just not going to make as many of them, and there's still going to be a strong demand for them. So if those go up $100, $200, would not be surprised in the larger sizes. But in some of the smaller ones, 9, 8.5, if you want to wait a little bit, like me, I'm personal size 9. I'm just waiting a little bit to get my personal. I have a feeling they'll probably chill around there for a bit, but we have to see. So that's it. Again, might get 1 or 2 today, and then the rest, I'll focus on getting later this week before sneakers, because I'm not waiting for L's. So I'm T. Thank you, guys. I'm going to catch you on the next video tomorrow. Do not miss out on that. See you then. Peace.
Sticks made a bucket hit.